Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you a simple freesia flower which is very simple and easy to paint. So you can create a line like this little bit diagonally and then a straight line for this stem. So this is the guideline that we needed, and in between we are going to paint some flower. Those are fully bloomed flower and we have to create multiple flower buds as well, so that's why I have created a string. Now just rub the unwanted pencil mark and make sure you are able to see the basic guideline that you have created. Now I am loading two different color into my brush. It is totally optional. If you want, you can use only single color. So at the tip I have used red color and I have filled my brush with the help of white color. And with this particular color, when you try to paint a petal, you will get two different shades of red, lighter and darker. And that is why I like to use this particular technique to paint my flower petals. So I have created 3 petals in a triangle shape, as you can see. Now let this dry completely and then we are going to paint 3 more later on. Now repeat the same thing for one more flower. So I am creating one more flower here, again creating 3 petals in a triangle pattern. As you can see, we are getting different shades of red, and that is what you can achieve when you combine 2 different color in a single stroke. Now I am creating one more here. This is more of a flower bud which is not bloomed yet, but we can see the petals. And one more here I am creating. In this one we are seeing little bit of petals. Now let's make a nice green shade, mixing lemon yellow and cobalt blue color. Create a stem. One petal is still pending, that's why I have created a gap between flower and my stem. And then you can create different flower buds. So in this particular string we have multiple flower buds arranged in a sequence manner. You can create bigger towards the upward direction, and as you are moving towards the downward direction, you can keep the flower bud smaller in size. And then you can have sepals at the base of each petals that you have, and then connect all the flower buds together in a string. And while connecting these flower buds, you can create a loop kind of pattern. So you don't have to create a straight line. You can create something like this, like what I am doing here, and just connect everything, creating a small sepal at the base. So these are the flower buds which are not bloomed yet, and this is the beauty of this particular flower and how simple it is to paint, right? So we have created all the flower buds. Now we need to repeat the same thing what we did for the previous petals. Now I am repeating the same thing. This time I am keeping the petals little on the lighter side and creating one more petals in between these petals that we have. So total you have 6 petals into it, and because of perspective of flower you cannot see the green element or the base of the flower. So this is the front perspective, and that's why all the parts below to the flowers are hidden. And I have purposefully created something like this so that it is easier for me to paint as well. We are almost done with the flower buds, flowers and stem. Now let's create stamen. So in between flower, from the center part of the flower, we are able to see couple of stamen. And these stamens are in red color. So I am creating lines from the center, creating couple of stamens. And you can do the same thing for the flower buds as well. You can create some line and pattern for the flower buds which are not bloomed yet, and we can see the petals into it. And you can have little wider stem, and with the help of darker green color you can just go around the bud area and you can create couple of lines into the bud area to make it look like it has some kind of structure into it. So this is the basic funda of creating flowers with very easy and simple technique. and when you load two different color, it is easier for you to get different shades of single color into your flower. So I think it is quite easy and simple for beginners as well. You just need little practice, and then with the help of green color itself, I am creating leaves little longer and pointed. Again, for the leaves as well, you can have different perspective of leaf, like tilted, twisted, downward direction. So these things you can try by your own. And we are done with today's video. Hope this video is easy and simple, and please do let me know if you have any kind of feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video with one more simple tutorial.